Today we are making Thai red curry.
Oh, we're just cleaning up the floor. Right, so we're making a vegan meal this evening. It's a curry. We've got some of the main ingredients that will go in it. A can of chickpeas, a couple of cans of coconut milk, a head of cauliflower, some carrots. We've got some ginger and some garlic, a lime, and we have Thai red curry paste that we will use as well.
Alright, we're going to start by putting a little bit of coconut oil in the pan, about 2 tablespoons, and heat that up.
So you can add whatever vegetables you like in this Thai curry. We're going to use carrots. We have 4 carrots that we'll peel and a whole head of cauliflower. We'll also put some peas in later on. And then we're prepping some garlic and ginger here as well.
So to the heated coconut oil, we're going to add the minced garlic and ginger. And we'll also add a couple tablespoons of the Thai red curry paste, so about half of this jar.
Smells good already.
Let that cook for a couple minutes. Alright, now we're going to add the chopped cauliflower and carrots. And get that all coated with all of that good flavor. Alright, next we're going to add some lime zest. First try. Alright, so we're going to add 2 cans of coconut milk. Got the nice thick stuff on the top. Start to see the curry sauce taking form. And next some chickpeas for protein. We'll bring that to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer, and we'll cook that for about 20 to 30 minutes to soften all the veggies. Alright, we almost forgot to add some Thai chilies for a little kick to our curry. So if you don't like the heat, you could de-seed them, but they're not too spicy. And the coconut milk kind of mellows out the sauce too, so.
It's coming together now.
Alright, so to balance our sauce, we need to add a few more things. Basically what you want to add is some kind of salt, some kind of sweet, and some kind of acid. So for salt, I'm just going to add some regular old salt, but if you have fish sauce or some other kind of salty sauce of a sort, that is traditional in a Thai curry. For sweet, we're going to add maybe about a teaspoon of brown sugar, and for acid, we're going to add half of the lime juice. We'll add that at the end.
And we're also making some basmati rice to go with our Thai curry as well. So we have that on while this cooks. We're going to juice this lime. We used part of it for the zest. We'll get the juice to go into the curry as well.
Alright, so when it's almost done cooking, we're going to add some frozen peas. If you have any frozen vegetables, you can add them towards the end. They'll probably only take 5 to 10 minutes to cook. And we're gonna add the juice of half a lime.
All right, our red Thai curry is finished. It's a vegan curry as well, if you like to eat vegan. And we have some naan that we've heated up that goes nicely with it as well. So I hope you can enjoy this yourself. And thanks for cooking with us today. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.